Another duel, Vishal playing against Supratim. Vishal Vishal is using his ultimate deck, the RUB control, Bolmeteus.
No, I'm not using RUB. He's using RUB.
Yeah,
Supratim.
I told you. Oh, I'm so sorry. Supratim is using his ultimate RUB Bolmeteus deck, while Vishal is using a GRUB Bombazar deck. It's not technically a Bombazar deck. It's just for fun. It's the Bombazar is just for fun. So they're deploying the shields.
Choose the toy Kuzo. Nobody says shields deploy boy.
And I pick it up from Supratim.
Kuzo. Koi. No, you have to say koi. I said Kuzo.
Now the customary stone paper scissors. And Supratim wins. Charges mana with a corpse charger.
How much? कितना है डेफिनेट?
Vishal charges mana with a Bolmeteus steel dragon. And Supratim with a Gallic. Vishal charges mana with a Lost Soul. And ends his turn. Supratim charges mana with a Ghost Touch and summons Slash Charger.
Very bad hand. Very bad hand.
You say you had a bad hand, but you had Bolmeteus right in the beginning.
Yeah, I mean, Bolmeteus in the beginning is not a good hand actually.
Yeah, it's actually true. You know, because when you are up against Supratim's deck, because his deck focuses on discard and Bolmeteus. So.
Yeah, the only way I can say Bolmeteus is by putting in the mana. Because he has no cards which you use also mana.
And just hope for a Thrash color or a Soul Swap. So it's the only way to save cards from Supratim. So he ends his turn and Vishal draws a card. Vishal is thinking real hard. He has currently a Bolmeteus and a Lost Soul in his mana zone. He charges mana with a Rumbling Terrahorn. And he ends his turn.
Wait,
Supratim draws a card, flashes a Searing Wave and casts Clamp, the Dreaded Clamp. Vishal has 5 cards in his hand, so which ones will he choose? So he discards Miraculous Meltdown and a PI, and Supratim ends his turn. Vishal charges mana with an Aqua Surfer and he summons a Clamp. and Supratim had 2 clamps in his hand, so basically I think Supratim is out of clamps. And he charges mana with a Lost Soul. Now Vishal charges mana with a Corail and summons an Energy Stream and draws 2 cards.
Clamp.
Now Supratim again. Now that was 4. I think that he is out of clamps now. Yeah, that are 4 clamps. Now he has. So Vishal has to discard 2 cards. Which ones will he choose? Vishal has to discard 2 cards, not 2 hands. That would be ridiculous. Now he discards a Charmilla and a Soul Swap. And he and Supratim did not. Did you draw a card?
Yeah, I just cast.
Okay. Vishal charges mana with an Aqua Surfer and just turn. Now that is a Surfer. Yeah, I got it correct this time, and Supratim charges it and then just turn. Charges mana with a Lost Soul and summons Twin Cannon Sky Terror. No, he does not.
Entered.
summons Thrash Caller and takes back a Korai from his mana zone and ends his
End
turn.
round.
Supratim draws a card and ends his turn. So basically, control versus control matches, there's a high probability for the deck to run out of cards. So, and especially with the big uses of Slash Charger, so you can say a lot of cards is gone from the deck. We shall try his mana with the Twin Cannon Sky Terror, and he ends his turn. Supratim draws a card, and he summons a Bullmeat Steel Dragon. What will Vishal do now? He's up against a Bullmeat, but he has a blocker, so I don't think it will be a problem. He has 7 now. Vishal summons a... No, he does not summon a Bloody Speedo. No, he summons a Bloody Speedo and he summons a Korai and sends back Bullmeaters to his hand. To the top of his deck, and Supratim draws Bullmeaters and summons it again. Now Vishal destroys it with the Apocalypse Wise. And he summons a Locomotive discarding Mega Slug. Now Vishal summons a Bronze Arm Tribe and puts the top card of his deck, which is a Bloody Speedo, into his mana zone. And Supratim again summons a Bullmeat Steel Dragon. And Vishal summons Locomotive. And Supratim summons Volcano Charger and destroys the Zappa Surfer. Bullmeaters attacks, destroying the... and Vishal blocks it with the Bloody Speedo. Vishal casts Energy Stream, draws 2 cards. You have to put a water mana. Yeah, I don't think that'll be an issue. It's 5 mana left, and he summons a Charmila.
End round.
He ends his turn.
First touch.
Supratim summons a Host Touch. And there was a Turret. Why didn't you use the
I
Turret?
didn't have enough mana. I got that from...
End round. Only 1 card.
Vishal draws a card. Okay, so a recap of the battle zone. A Bullmeteus, a Locomotive for Supratim, and a Charmila, Bronze Arm Tribe, and a Locomotive for Vishal. And he taps Charmila's tap ability, which allows him to take a creature from his deck. And he takes a Twin Cannon Sky Terror. And Vishal ends his turn.
End round.
No, of course I did.
Yeah, your Twin Cannon. And Vishal ends his turn.
Next card.
And the Bullmeteus destroys the Charmila and Supratim ends his turn. A Blizzard of Spears and a Twin Cannon and destroys Bullmeteus. It's a suicide.
End round.
And he ends his turn. That was a puzzle bazooka.
End round.
So Galak allows Vishal to destroy a blocker and discard a card at random. And he discarded the Terror Push. It happens. It happens. Don't worry.
End round.
And he ends his turn.
Discard.
Summons Locomotive and discards Blizzards of Spears. He summons a Volcano Charger and destroys another Locomotive. Supreme summons Berserker Seal and destroys the Gallic. Vishal Aqua Halkas draws a card and summons Cranium Calp. That there goes that Berserker Seal and that Gallic. That was a good move. Now a Bloody Squito. Vishal summons another Volcano Charger and destroys that Locomotive. Supratim summons Energy Stream.
Corpse Charger.
You cannot. Okay, sorry. He summoned Corpse Charger. I'm so sorry. Which allows him to take a card back from
What
his
did he take? I mean,
creature from his graveyard, and he takes back a Bullmeat. Takes back something. That is known. I mean,
End turn.
and he ends this turn. What will Vishal do? As far as we know, he has a Supratim has a Bullmeatius in his hand. Summons. Oh wow! He summons a Soul Swap and swaps Locomotive for a Bullmeatius Seal Dragon. And he ends his turn.
You have anything in your hand? End turn.
And he summons a Locomotive and a Bloody Squito. Destroying that Bullmeatius and Vishal attacks. And is blocked by that Bloody Squito. That bloody thing.
Corpse Charger.
Okay, so that was a combo. Supratim summoned Trash Crawler, took back Corpse Charger and summoned Corpse Charger again and took back Berserker Seal Dragon. Now, and he ends his turn.
nothing to defend my point. Yes. Seriously.
And Vishal attacks and Supratim blocks it with his Bloody Scooter. And as we know that he had used the Berserker Seal to
End turn.
so Vishal summons and Derpit destroys that. So I think you saw what just happened. I don't want to say that anymore. Now Supratim has a Berserker Seal in his hand. Which was
So it's Trash Charger.
so let's have a look at Supratim's hand. And Vishal currently has nothing in his hands. And Vishal uses Slash Ahi to take out Supratim's Thrash Crawler from his deck. And he ends his turn. Supratim summons a Bullmeatius and ends his turn. Oh yes. Yes. And Apocalypse and Bullmeatius is gone. That was another combo that you just saw that we had seen previously. That is a bad combo. And another, the same Bullmeatius. I think it is the third time it is seeing the battle zone. And again, an Opex Vortex. So I think he's out of Cranium Calps, Thrash Crawlers. Let's just hope there is no recursion spells anymore. Any end just turn. And he summons a Sand Fist, destroys. Shit. And he had. Was it? Do you have to put a card, or is it a must? Or
It is a must.
so Vishal lost his Cataclysm.
End turn.
And he had enough mana for summoning Cataclysm as far as for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He had 13 mana. He could have summoned that Cataclysm.
Copy.
Pratim summoned a Korai. So Pratim summoned a Berserker Seal and destroyed that Aqua Halkus. Locomotive. Now is the time when Vishal can actually turn the fate of the match. Can he choose that Berserker Seal? And he took an Apocalypse. It is I think it's a good move.
I wanted that Berserker.
Everybody wanted that Berserker Seal.
End turn.
You just have to hope for a Thrash Color or something like that.
Seriously. It is Thrash Color.
Also.
Vishal having a look at his graveyard.
Now see this one. That also Thrash Color also. You know.
So what is Vishal trying to do? Vishal summoned a Dark Reversal,
6, 7, 8,
took back Thrash Collar, summoned it, took back a Lost Soul from his mana zone, and made Supratim discard his hand. Now let's have a look what Supratim had in his hand. That was a really nice hand to discard. Aqua Halkas. So I think Vishal does not have to worry about his mana anymore. Nor he has to worry about that Berserker Seal, which is safely in the graveyard. But as you know, Supratim, he'll think of something.
Okay. Break. Break. End turn.
Supratim destroyed 3 of his shields, took a risk for shield triggers, using an aqua, 2 Halkuses and a Korai. So he has 4 creatures in his battle zone, while Vishal only has 2 cards, 2 shields. But he has a lot of cards in his.
15.
You should have something like a Blizzards or Spear or something like that.
There's 4 attacking creatures. I really need Blizzard Spears right now. Oh yeah, thank you. Happy.
So summons a Thrash Collar, and I knew it. There was a Blizzard or Spear. So it destroys all creatures that are powerful from
10
your
mana,
list.
I still have 4 mana left.
Oh, and he summons a Clunk, which destroys that Blizzard or Spears. And he ends it. So put him summons a. And he ends it. Now what will Vishal do? Two shields, empty battle zone, 5 shields. Rumbling Terrahorn. 2 shields. You didn't search your deck for a card?
No, I was here, I said. Oh, wait. Can I undo that move?
It will Supratim allow it. Yes, it does.
Wait. What did I do?
Yeah, you summoned these 2 creatures.
This, summon this first.
So this is his deck. So I think there are as many cards in his deck as there are in his hand. So basically he has 6 cards in his deck, so there is a high probability of deck out. As you can see the graveyards, those are not decks, I repeat, those are the graveyards.
risk. Not to take a risk.
So Vishal, what card did he take? Actually we know what did he take, but Supreme does not know. And he summons a Bomb Bazaar.
I have
Now you know what the
I
dated
have
Bomb
15
Bazaar
mana.
is. So he destroys two of Supratim's shields
Next turn.
and he ends his turn this time. So he gets another turn. The Bomb Bazaar is untapped and you draw a card.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 card, right?
You can draw a card because I think you just ended your turn. And you can also untap Bomb Bazaar. This is a recap. So at the end of his turn, if Vishal is unable to destroy Supratim, he loses because of that Bomb Bazaar.
I need to think this one. I really need to think this one.
He has 14 mana in his shield, 14 mana in his mana zone, and a Rumbling Terrorhorn and a Bomb Bazaar in his battle zone. That is mana with a Ghost Touch. He has 15 mana now. What wouldn't he
Just
have?
need one more.
Yeah, what wouldn't he have had given
Just
for
need
that
one
Cataclysm?
more. Just need one more.
Let's have a look at Vishal's hand.
Just need 7.
Okay. He
I
has.
just need one more mana. Wait. Wait, one. Just need one more mana. Oh wait, I have one.
Yeah, you.
Yeah, I have one more mana. Wait.
Summons a Twin Cannon Sky Terror and an Aqua Surfer. Sorry. He summons a Twin Cannon Sky Terror. So currently he can break. He has 2 double breakers and a single. No, he takes back the Twin Cannon. No, he does not take back the Twin Cannon.
Let's do this just for the fun of it.
I think it comes down to the risk.
Just for the fun of it.
So Vishal, he is not attacking because of the fear of shield triggers. No, so-
Exactly. I need to build up my defenses so that I have enough.
Yeah, something like a terror.
Two terror bits and I'm gone.
Yeah, so why don't you tap your mana to have a better understanding?
Wait. That's 7 mana, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7
No,
mana. gone.
3.
Wait. I need 3 for this. So 7, 3, and 5, 5. No, no, no. No, let's take the risk.
So this is the last one. He has been thinking for this one for the past 3 minutes.
Sorry.
Last 2 shields, Bomb Bazaar. Will there be a shield trigger? No. No. Oh my god! Oh my god, there it was. The shield trigger.
Still, I would have lost because he had one player.
So, I don't think it needs much saying, but Vishal lost. That was a nice game. A really good time.
Yeah.
And
I just needed one.
now
more
let's have a
mana.
look
I
at
just
Vishal's
needed
hand.
one
There
more
was a
mana.
Soul Swamp and there was an Aqua
I
Surf.
could have taken this. I just needed one more. Mana.
Wow. So Supratim lost. So that is the... Yeah, sorry, Supratim won. So this is the problem with this card, Bomb Bazaar.
Oh, shit.
I hope you all stop using it in the deck. But this was not a Bomb Bazaar deck. It was a fun Bomb Bazaar deck. Okay, bye.